Want to make money with AI? Let's break down how, using some key insights from an online talk. Okay, let's get the big fear out of the way. The truth is, AI is already replacing jobs for those who don't adapt.
It all comes down to this simple truth. You're always selling, even when you're just giving advice.
See, sales is the universal skill. If you can sell, you can always make money, AI or no AI. So the real question is, how do you turn this tech into your own super-powered sales assistant?
The process is actually pretty straightforward. Find the tools, generate the leads, and then automate your outreach.
And there are tons of tools out there. With free resources and APIs, you can even build your own.
But you knew this was coming, right? With all this power comes some pretty serious risks.
It's really a double-edged sword. AI has incredible promise, but it also comes with significant peril. So you've got to be proactive. Turn on that defense mode to protect your personal and business data.
When everyone's using the same AI, how do you win? Well, it's not the tech. It's your strategy. If your income feels stuck, it's probably because you're just like everyone else. So what makes you different?
The game plan is simple. Figure out what makes you unique, and then just be persistent. Stick with it.
And you really can start with what you have, even if that's just a phone to take pictures.
This brings us to a key number, 5%. With consistent effort, this is a totally realistic conversion rate.
Think about it. Reaching just 500 people for 15 days can get you there. That's the power of persistence. But for all its power, there are core human elements that AI just can't replicate. So what are they?
Here's the breakdown. AI is all about automation and speed. But humans, we bring wisdom, experience, and mindset.
So remember this. Your unique human insight? That's your most valuable asset. It's your secret weapon.
Ultimately, success is about combining your human wisdom with the power of AI. That's the winning formula.
So I'll leave you with this question to think about. In this new age of AI, what's your greatest strength?